This model kit review is of the Fokker DR.1, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Eduard. It's the weekend edition, so usually a little bit simpler. And this is actually a photograph of the finished model. We have two different options here. This is the Red Baron, Manfred van Richthofen. And we have some fabric seat belts included. Colors needed over there. And different options. So let's have a look inside and see what we have. So these are the fabric seat belts. It looks like they're stuck on there. That's amazing. So we have these 3 sprues. Here's our fuselage. We also have our stabilizer. Looks like we have 2 there. And then we have flaps, wheels, engine cowling here, tail. Here's the wing. All very nicely molded, faint little mold lines. This was a triplane, so here are the other wings there and there. And looks like part of our stabilizer. And the other side of the fuselage. Here we have lots of extra little details. We've got guns, nicely molded. Control stick, here's our engine. Here's our propeller, seat, and here are the fuel rods, more guns, and another propeller. So depending on which version you want to build. Let's have a look over here. Here we have our decals, and let's actually open these up and have a look. Tremendous amount of detail here on these decals, very nicely printed. And then here are the instructions. So there's the parts not needed in blue. And those are the colors needed. So we start off with the cockpit. Put it inside there, inside the fuselage. Once that's all done there, we put the fuselage together like that. We build the frame to accommodate the wings. Wings are then mounted above and below, as well as the braces and struts. Here's our tail and stabilizer. Engine is built as well as the guns. And then the top wing is put on. And landing gear. And then the different braces. Here's the painting and decal guide. And here's the other version. So all in all, this is a typical Eduard quality. Very well molded, good level of detail, and some great decals.